Friends, in today's video we'll discuss about BOD or biochemical oxygen demand. What is BOD? Which is often asked in various competitive exams like civil services. BOD actually measures the pollution of water by organic pollutants or organic matter. Then what are those organic matter or organic waste? These are the domestic sewage materials, animal excreta, decaying animals and plants, and discharge from food processing industries. Now, excessive phytoplanktons or green plants, aquatic bodies, they grow inside the water and they also contribute to organic pollution in the water. One of the important features of these organic pollutants is that they are biodegradable. That means they can be broken down or decomposed by certain bacteria, which are called decomposing bacteria or decomposers. These bacteria are present in the water and also in the soil. So whenever an organic matter is added to the soil or water, it is decomposed. And during this process of decomposition, the bacteria consume oxygen dissolved in the water. So oxygen present in the water will be used by those bacteria to decompose the organic materials. One of the important characteristic feature of the water is that its oxygen holding capacity is very limited. That means it can acquire very limited amount of oxygen. If you compare with air, water can hold up to 10 parts per million oxygen dissolved in it, whereas air contains 2 lakh parts per million oxygen in it. So this is the difference between oxygen amount in water and also in air. And this oxygen amount or concentration dissolved in water is very important for survival of the aquatic plants and animals. So if the amount of oxygen will be less in the water, then the aquatic animals or plants will not be able to survive. One example is fishes. They will not grow in water, they will not be able to survive in water if the dissolved oxygen comes down below 6 parts per million. So now how oxygen reaches water? It can reach water, enter into water through atmosphere by diffusion, or through the process of photosynthesis. The aquatic green plants, they can add or contribute oxygen to water during the daytime, but during the night time photosynthesis stops, so the dissolved oxygen level in the water, it also comes down during the night time. Another important thing is that when too much of or very high amount of organic matter is added to water, all the available oxygen is used off by the decomposers during their decomposition. So that further diminishes the amount of oxygen in the water. So amount of oxygen required by bacteria to break down the organic matter present in a certain volume of a sample of water is called biochemical oxygen demand or BOD. So this is the definition of BOD. So BOD is an indirect measure of the amount of organic material present in the water. So if the BOD is less, that means the water is clear and clean, very few amount of organic matter. If the BOD is high, then amount of organic matter is high. So a clean water will have a BOD value of less than 5 parts per million or less, whereas highly polluted water can have a BOD of 17 parts per million or more. So this is the difference. Friends, thanks for watching. Please give your feedback in the comment box, and please subscribe to this channel and give your feedback so that you can help. It will help us to improve. Thank you very much.